Hi folks, welcome to Holland, where we're gonna fly a flight plan of the Parrot Anafi, flight number 102, and the Anafi is still in one piece. Today's good weather in Holland, in Geertruidenberg the Veste. We're gonna start a flight plan of about 2 minutes, and its maximum height is 120 meters and the distance is about 350 meters. But then already you have a Wi-Fi problem. But I have to say, if you put your phone on airplane mode, then Wi-Fi is much better. With the Parrot Anafi and its flight plan, when the Wi-Fi range is out of and you have no connection at all, you have a black screen, no video, but the telemetry is going on and the flight plan is ending as planned.